you've ever been a part of Rachael's live audience, then you know this is the first thing you see. This right here is the lobby of the audience holding area. This is where you check in right before you make your way to the studio. Right now, the paint on the walls is chipping, the floors are peeling up, and the furniture pretty banged up. This room definitely needs some TLC, Tanya Love and Care. My buddies from Knockout Renovation just got here, and it's time to get rid of all this furniture. When you're painting your walls, especially going from dark to light, do not skip the primer. This is imperative to make sure the color you chose is the color you get. Just got back from Lowe's with my paint. Time to get some color on these walls. I chose a light minty green. One, because it complements the orange in the rest of the space, but two, it is a great way to welcome our guests in with a fresh new look. This room sees a ton of foot traffic, so we need something super durable. I'm using an LVT product. That means luxury vinyl tile. You can see that it's really durable and it's really thick, and it's gonna go down really easy. People ask me all the time, which way do I lay my floors? Typically, when you enter into a room, you wanna step over the floorboards horizontally. These cabinets back here are custom. They're a specific size and we don't want to get rid of them. So instead, I'm just gonna refresh them. I've got this peel and stick wall covering that's gonna go on really quick and easy, and it's so durable. It'll be perfect for this room. My furniture's arrived from hayneedle.com. This place is coming together. Done and done. This room looks so good. Paint always goes a long way. By lightening the room and freshening it up with a pale mint green, we made the space come to life. Whenever they say fresh and airy, this is what they're talking about. And this custom beaded artwork makes sure everybody knows they're in the right spot.